Hello everyone, I'm Vismay. Today I will show you the solution for the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000906. Click OK to close the application, or if you're facing this error, the code execution cannot proceed because this DLL was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this program, or the code execution cannot proceed because .dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. If you're facing this kind of problem, then you can follow my step to solve the problem. First of all, search Windows Security on Start, then click on it, then click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Allow Threats. Then you can check the allow threats. Then click on Protection History. Then you can check the date and the timing, and just click on action and click on restore option. Click on restore option, and it will restore the file, and it will restore the .dll file, and try to reopen the Filmora. As you can see, it is opening. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.